Hacking is a skill that takes time, patience, and practice to master. I always say this. It is not something that can be learned overnight. If you are thinking about starting to learn hacking, there are a few things you should know first. In this video, we will cover things you should know before starting to learn hacking. We will discuss the different types of hacking, the tools you will need, and the mindset you need to adopt to be successful. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of what it takes to become a hacker because you will have a hacker mindset. So, today's video is about hacker mindset, or I wish I knew before I start learning hacking. So, if you are here for something else, how to hack something or other thing, this video is not for you. The first thing I wish I knew before is, hacking is a mindset, not a set of tools. This is important one. A common misconception about hacking is that it is simply a set of tools used to break into computers. In reality, hacking is a mindset. Hackers must think critically and creatively to find solutions to complex problems. We must be able to analyze a system and develop strategies to attack it. Hacking is not simply a matter of memorizing the right tools and commands. It is a matter of learning to think like a hacker and developing creative solutions to complex problems. The best way to hone these skills is to practice. Hackers must be willing to experiment and fail in order to find the solutions they seek. No matter how many books, tutorials, or blog posts you read, reality is the best teacher. Use tools and concepts to try to solve problems. Use the resources available online, challenges to test your skills and create solutions. The second is, the best way to learn hacking is to try to hack. As students of hacking, the best way to learn is to try to hack. Start with a simple challenge like reversing a string or breaking into a mock system. As your skills grow, challenge yourself with more complex problems. Set goals for yourself, such as gaining root access on a system or hacking into an online game. Taking on new challenges will increase your skills and your confidence. Hacking can be intimidating at first, but by breaking it down into smaller pieces and taking it one step at a time, you will begin to learn. Start with resources such as Try Hack Me, Hack the Box, and books to learn the basics of hacking. As you grow in your knowledge, devote your time to exploring the darker side of cybersecurity. Spend time analyzing the technical aspects of systems, writing your own exploits, and studying malware. By mastering the basics, you will be well on your way to becoming an expert hacker. Okay, you ask when I can practice, where I start hacking. Hacking any site I'm illegal, so where I can start hacking. Website to practice hacking. Okay, now your answer has got a solution. The only thing you must do is start practice now. It's easy to get lost in the mountain of resources available online. A quick Google search will turn up countless books, tutorials, and blog posts about hacking. While these resources can be helpful, the best way to learn is to practice. Try to hack into something, even a very simple thing. From there, keep hacking more challenging systems and explore different vulnerabilities. The resources online can be helpful for understanding concepts, but the best way to really understand something is to apply it. Start small and slowly build your way up. Remember, the ultimate goal is to build confidence and apply what you learn. Don't get stuck reading too much or you will never progress. Read as much as you need to, but remember that the best way to learn is to practice. If you ask, what book do you recommend or what book is best for hackers? See, I have video called 8 Best Books for Hacker. You can check out this video. The next is, finding mentors and friends in the community is important. Hackers are a tight-knit community and finding friends and mentors is essential for a successful journey. There are a few ways to get help from others: forums, hackathons, online classes, and more. Networking with other hackers can also be a great way to get advice and encouragement. Take advantage of these opportunities and reach out to experts in the field. Having someone to discuss problems and brainstorm solutions will go a long way in helping you progress and build your knowledge. Not only can you get help from experts, but you can also get help from your peers. Every hacker must start somewhere, so don't be afraid to reach out to others who may be at the same level as you. You can learn from one another's mistakes and successes, and it can help build a sense of camaraderie and community to have someone to struggle with and learn from alongside you. If you don't have one hacker friend or something else, I open Discord to talk to hacker. I will put link in description. Join us. The next mindset is, prepare for setbacks. Learning to hack can be a difficult journey. You will most likely hit bumps in the road and run into problems that you can't solve. Prepare yourself for these setbacks by acknowledging them and accepting that they are part of the process. It's okay to struggle and it's okay to make mistakes. Setbacks are a normal part of learning, and it's important to not get discouraged when you make mistakes. If you encounter a problem that you can't solve, reach out for help. Use the resources mentioned earlier or join a community or chat group to get assistance. Chances are that someone has already encountered the same problem and can point you in the right direction. Don't be embarrassed to ask questions or seek help. Everyone must start somewhere, and learning to hack is no exception. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, show up, and never give up. The next is, be patient. Learning to hack takes time. You will not master it overnight, and it is important to be patient and accept that your progress will not be linear. That is why it is important to commit to a hacker's journey and be consistent in your learning. By being dedicated and consistent, you will eventually get to where you want to be. Set reasonable goals for yourself and focus on making small improvements each day. Slow and steady wins the race, and although you may feel like you are not making any progress, eventually the skills you have acquired will start to come together. Don't compare yourself to other hackers, and remember that it is okay to learn at your own pace. The last is, be persistent. The key to success in hacking is persistence. Many times, hacking can feel overwhelming, and it can be easy to give up. Do not let your frustrations get the best of you. Take a break and assess the situation. If the problem is still unsolved, look at it from different angles. Push yourself and explore innovative solutions. You will be surprised by what you can achieve if you put your mind to it. Be aware of your progress and notice the small successes. Celebrate them and don't ignore the progress you've made. Celebrating successes, big or small, is important for staying motivated and being consistent but not over-celebrating. Don't be afraid of failure. Learn from it and keep going. Persistence is what creates excellence. I know guys, in this video there is nothing new thing, but I just made this video to motivate you to start learning or to not give up. Don't excuse, just start today, who care? If you don't want like this video like mindset stuff like this video, comment down below. I will stop posting videos and I will continue making videos about only hacking. If you want to learn hacking, don't forget to subscribe. See you.